kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the muscular system. In this lesson, you will learn and understand the importance of muscles in our body. At the same time, you will know the different types of muscles and their functions. Are you ready? You have learned that the skeletal system is the framework of the body. However, it cannot give shape to the body or help the body move without the muscular system. The muscles give the body shape and mass. They support the skeleton and keep it steady. They are also responsible for locomotion. Their primary purpose is to provide movement for the body. It is through muscle coordination that we are able to move. Without the muscles, the human body is nothing but a lifeless skeleton. A muscle is a body structure made up of bundles of specialized cells called muscle fibers. There are about 650 muscles in the body, which are responsible for different types of movement. As muscle tissue contracts, it causes movement in the body. There are three kinds of muscles in the body: the skeletal muscles, the smooth muscles, and the cardiac muscles. These muscles move either voluntary or involuntary. Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones. They move the bones and help protect the internal organs. Their movement is voluntary. It means they move under your conscious control. They help you move and they also give shape to our body. Skeletal muscles differ in size and shape. They also differ according to the function. The muscles of the eye are small and weak because they only do minimal movement. Those of the thighs and legs are big and strong because they are used for more physically demanding activities such as walking, running, jumping, climbing, and others. Skeletal muscles make up a large part of arms, legs, chest, abdomen, and face and neck. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart. These muscles cause the heart to beat. The cardiac muscle is an involuntary muscle, meaning it operates without any conscious control. These muscles are for the walls of the heart and contracts to circulate the blood. Cardiac muscles move rhythmically, contracting and relaxing alternately. The heart beats at a rate of 70 times per minute or more than 100,000 times a day. It works tirelessly, thanks to our cardiac muscles. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in internal structures such as the digestive tract and blood vessels. The smooth muscle is also an involuntary muscle. These muscles in the digestive tract move the food you eat, while the muscles in the blood vessels move blood cells. They are also in the walls of internal organs such as the esophagus and stomach. When you eat, the chewed food is pushed by the rhythmic movement called peristalsis. The diaphragm is also an example of a smooth muscle that allows you to breathe even when you are asleep. Once again, these are the three types of muscles. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart. These muscles cause the heart to beat. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones. They help you move and they also give shape to our body. Smooth muscles are found in internal structures such as the digestive tract and the blood vessels. Choose the correct answer that corresponds to the statement. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Their primary purpose is to provide movement for the body. A. Skeletal system. B. Muscular system. C. Digestive system. D. Circulatory system. The answer is muscular system, letter B. These muscles are attached to the bones and they are responsible for voluntary movements. A. Skeletal muscles. B. Smooth muscles. C. Cardiac muscles. D. Brain muscles. The answer is A. Skeletal muscles. These muscles are found in the heart that cause the heart to beat. A. Skeletal muscles. B. Smooth muscles. C. Cardiac muscles. D. Brain muscles. The answer is C. Cardiac muscles. These muscles are found in the internal structures such as in the digestive tract and blood vessels. A. Skeletal muscles. B. Smooth muscles. C. Cardiac muscles. D. Brain muscles. The answer is B. Smooth muscles. These muscles are responsible for voluntary movements like walking, running, jumping, and dancing. A. Skeletal muscles. B. Smooth muscles. C. Cardiac muscles. D. Brain muscles. And the answer is skeletal muscles, letter A. These muscles in the digestive tract move the food you eat, while the muscles in the blood vessels move blood cells. A. Skeletal muscles. B. Smooth muscles. C. Cardiac muscles. D. Brain muscles. And the answer is letter B. Smooth muscles. Identify the kind of muscle that is involved in the given activity. Right, cardiac, skeletal, or smooth. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. 1. Digestion of food. Smooth muscle. 2. Blinking of the eye. Skeletal muscle. 3. Writing. Skeletal muscle. 4. Breathing. Smooth muscle. 5. Beating of the heart. Cardiac muscle. 6. Climbing. Skeletal muscle. 7. Swimming. skeletal muscle, and 8 heartbeat, cardiac muscle.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.